This song's called Roger Rabbit. Is there a right way for how this goes? Got your friends and you got your foes. They want a piece of something hot. Forget your name like they forgot. Oh, ain't that something? Someone to see you crash and burn, criticize your every word. I'm trying to keep from going insane. Ain't that the way of this whole damn thing? Oh, just trying to be something more. Nobody's gonna love you if you can't display a way to capture this. Nobody's gonna hold your hand and guide you through it. It's up for you to understand. Nobody's gonna feel your pain when all is done, and it's time for you to walk away. So when you have today, say all that you have to say. Is there a right way for being strong? Feels like I'm doing things wrong. Still I'm here just holding on. Confess my heart and forgive my wrongs. Oh, just trying to show you something more. Nobody's gonna love you if you can't display a way to capture this. Nobody's gonna hold your hand and guide you through it. It's up for you to understand. Nobody's gonna feel your pain when all is done, and it's time for you to walk away. So when you have today, say all that you have to say. Don't point the blame when you can't find nothing. Look to yourself and you might find something. It's time that we sort it out, all of those things we complain about. So listen close to the sound of your soul. Take back a lie we let once before. If it ain't you, then who? If it ain't you, then who's gonna love you? Whoa, if you can't find a way, whoa, nobody's gonna hold your hand. It's up for you to understand. Nobody's gonna feel your pain when all is done, and it's time for you to walk away. So when you have today, you say all that you have to say. So when you have today, say all that you have to say. Thanks.